Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. So, today we're demonstrating some of the many ways to assign multiple variables on a single line. Some of these are very compatible with one another, some of these are less compatible with one another, and we'll show them all off to you. So, there are many ways of doing multiple variable assignments in a single line. You obviously got the standard var1, var2 equals sign, and we'll just have the 1 and 2, which gives you two variables, two inputs with comma separated values. So print var1, print var2. You can see that works, var1, var2. You can also make them equal to each other. Instead of doing commas between each value, do equal spaces between each value. Now they each equal 1. There is comma separated values for sake of the demonstration. We will use 3 value now. And then use a list. As you can see, we've got that. So for the sake of the demonstration, we're going to put them all side by side. Put them all side by side so we can compare all the differences. So these are the 3 done. You can see they all work. This one does not assign multiple variables to different values, only to the same value. This one has different values that you input. This one is a list. But there is another another way to do it. That is with separated statements. Let's just have them print off now. As you can see, var8 and var9 also work. These are the multiple methods to do multiple variable assignments in a single line. This one is compatible with the other methods too. So I could, if I very much wanted, add on a semicolon and then do var10. To any of them. So this is not unique to just doing repeats of the first one. It can be tacked on to any of the given values. Thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you learned something from the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, but please comment especially and tell me how you learned, what you liked, because it helps me make better videos which are more educational. Thank you.